Here are the tests on my Comfort Height 2003 Eljer Patriot. It is set to the water line, I believe. I could just barely make it out. And I don't have an original Eljer flapper, so I just left the one in that came with it, and I put a more fitting handle on it so it looks nicer. And this toilet, as you can see, does have a little bit of minerals at the opening of the trapway, so it may not perform like it should, but that will be fixed if it can pass a washcloth. And if it can't pass a washcloth with that little bit of stuff there, then I don't think it's fit to be in a house. So let's go to flush and do some tests. It has a good flush. I'm not sure how the bowl rinse is, but it has a good flush. So first, I'll test a washcloth. I'm pretty sure it'll pass this. I know these aren't as good as the standard height ones, but I'm still pretty sure it can take a washcloth. Most toilets can. I'll be right back when the tank fills up. There we go. Now let's see if it can take a dish, or not dish towel. I always get these two mixed up. I'm calling this one a dish towel and I'm calling that one a washcloth. No idea why, but let's see if it can take a washcloth. Did great. Now, let's see if it can take a grocery bag. I think it'll clog on this. Eljer Patriots don't seem to like grocery bags. So, I'm gonna wait for the tank to fill up the rest of the way, and then I'll see if it can take a grocery bag. That should do it. Let's see if it passes. It did okay. So what happened here is the water all flows out of these front jets, right? It presses the grocery bag through the hole and up onto here. So it's being pulled up and pulled through. So it sort of gets stuck there, and then at the very end of the flush, when the water stops coming from here, then it goes through. So a little flaw with front flushers. Same thing happens with toilet paper too. But I'm gonna add some more water to the bowl, and just for the heck of it, I'm gonna try them both. Guaranteed clog. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. Did poorly. So now I'm going to let some water back into the bowl, and then I will try a dish towel. And for some reason there's a whole bunch of dirt in here now. I don't know where that came from, but the washcloth and grocery bag are clean. So here is the dish towel. When the tank is done filling, I'll flush it. So I'll be right back when the tank is full. That's good. Now let's see if it can take a dish towel. I think it's gonna clog. Yep. I'm gonna empty the rest of the water from the tank. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plunge it. failed as expected. So now all the performance tests are out of the way. Now let's try a dirt test. I'm gonna add some more water to the bowl. For some reason there's still water coming from here. Maybe the flapper leaks or something, but either way, if it washes the dirt away from there, I'll just know that the rinse is good. So here's the dirt. I'm guessing it's going to do that thing where it doesn't stick all the way, because for some reason some of the toilets are more resistant than others. Don't know why, but some just are like that. Ugh. So let's see if it can take dirt. Well, it left the floaters, and it left that. I can't really see very well, but it looks like it did pretty well, or not, around the rim. It left this giant spot here, and this giant spot there, but other than that, it did well getting it around the rim, but it still did leave some in the bowl. So I'm gonna move this thing out of the way and give it a second flush to see if it can take the rest. So the tank is almost done filling. Just gonna rinse some of the dirt off my hands and rinse this thing out. But let's see if it can take the rest of the dirt. It cleared it out of the bowl, but that's still there, and that's still there. The two big flaws with this toilet. So overall, it's a decent toilet. Definitely not the best, but not the worst. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps my channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.